This is part 3 of my backyard knife build series. Things are about to get hot. Real hot. So after you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, letting me know where this should go. Well, it's been a few days now since this entered my mind. I nailed a file, cut it out, and began to grind. Got the edge close to the center line. Shape that handle for the hands of mine. What comes next is gonna be hot. It's gonna get messy. Things are gonna change a lot. The steel will harden. You will see when I quench that blade. That will be perfect for me. Now that the blade is ready, it's time to make some flames. Charcoal and force air, we ain't playing no games. Get the fire ripping, get those coals to glow. Turn on the shop vac and let that sucker blow. What comes next is gonna be hot. It's gonna get messy. Things are gonna change a lot. The steel will harden. You will see when I quench that blade. That will be perfect for me. Get your oil warm, it helps with the quench. You could even just heat up an old crescent wrench. Throw it in the oil and use up that heat. Now the oil is hot for your real heat treat. What comes next is gonna be hot. It's gonna get messy. Things are gonna change a lot. The steel will harden. You will see when I quench that blade. That will be perfect for me. Now I'm no expert at this, I've never done it before. But from what I've been told, when you think it's ready, go a bit more. Once it's almost white hot in color, put it in the oil and say a prayer to your mother. What comes next is gonna be hot. It's gonna get messy. Things are gonna change a lot. The steel will harden. You will see when I quench that blade. That will be perfect for me.
Cool enough to touch. It's straight enough. Straight edge here, and I can see a little light right in the handle. I don't like that. It's just the end of the handle's a little bent. I wonder if I could straighten that with. Otherwise, the blade's straight, which I like. Oh, yeah, it's probably not a good idea. Yeah, it's all covered in shit. All right. Let's get some of this scale off and get a polish on her. And sharpened in the handle. Well, I guess I gotta work on the handle first. I'm excited about this. We got a hard knife, baby. All right, I'm content with where my knife's at right now. So that's part 3. It's hard and it's got a minor polish on it. So next I'm gonna cut some scales and work on putting a handle together. So stay tuned for part 4. I got some beautiful yew wood here. I'm gonna make some scales out of for the handle. So stay tuned and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.